Technology is bringing the ultimate revolution in transportation industry. Futuristic development in transport sector are transforming travel, improve travel time, passenger comfort and safety as well as protecting the environment. This video brought you into the world of science fiction that show you the glimpse of future world that you will see in upcoming years. So without further delay, let's have a brief look of future mode of transportation. Autonomous cars. Because of the development in cloud computing, emerging technologies like AI and IoT, the self-driving cars come to an existence. It is the combination of variety of sensors to preserve their surroundings to identify appropriate native path as well as obstacles. Convertible vehicles. Scientists and engineers developing convertible cum storage vehicles. It means the vehicle not only used for the public transportation but also used as a store by which owner can use single vehicle for both transportation and selling merchandise. Subway transportation. Tesla start developing underground pod-based high-speed transportation where the pod carry your car at high speed of 150 miles per hour through tunnels, which helps to reduce traffic jam by increasing transportation speed. Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a tube-based transportation system by which people can travel at high speed of 600 miles per hour because it is free from air resistance or friction, by which people covers 100 miles within limited time. Air taxis. Companies like General Motors, Ola, Uber introducing the airway transportation as the population is increasing to overcome the traffic problems. To reach our destination within time, air taxis become more convenient way of transportation in the future. These are the self-driving with no separate runways. Required air taxis we can take off or land over any helipad over the roof of the building. This futuristic development in transportation simplifies the way of today's transportation. It's going to become one of the most thrilling experience in upcoming years as you experience this in future, which now seen in science fiction film. What do you think if this transportation system come to an existence in real life, how it will impact your day-to-day life? Comment me below. For more such interesting and informative videos, like, share and subscribe to UN Studios now.